Shut the car off.
Shut the car off. Shut the car off.
What's the problem?
Shut the car off. Shut the car off. Come on. No. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back. Oh shit. He's got a gun. He's got a gun.
I'm stabbed in the arm, man. I'm stabbed in the arm. Oh, I got a stab.
All right, shut up. Right there.
Stay right there.
Master Ponce, the kid is 2600 units. There's a 24 lockout. Hey.
It's the gun's right under him. The gun's right under him.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep them.
He pulled it out. He tried to fucking point out my head, bro. Holy shit.
177 on our end.
Okay.
Right now we got one detained, 118 to the head. He's laying on the gun. We're holding him.
You almost.
Yeah, I couldn't. I literally couldn't.
He almost had that gun on my fucking head, bro. Holy shit. It's under him. Oh.
Sir, put your hands out to your side.